Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and whether I'm dressed up or headed out to the gym, I love taking my few necessary items in this super adorable Kate Spade mini flat bag. My favorite feature is the ability to carry it crossbody. And of course, the quality of the materials is just so excellent. The leather is such a beautiful color, and the interior lining is just a touch of luxury. The outside pocket is great for things I want quick access to, and there are also two credit card sized interior pockets. And it snaps closed easily with magnetic snaps. I fit my essentials in here. I have a little wallet. I fit my phone in here, lip gloss, my keys, just the few necessary items that I need if I'm headed out to the store or if I'm going to an event where you can't carry a large bag. This is ideal for those situations. It's just beautiful, and the hardware on it is exquisite as well. I just love this bag for taking just a few essential items with me, whether I'm headed out to the market or even if I'm headed out to a dressy event. I feel like I could use this because the color is so beautiful and the quality of the materials is so excellent. And that's my point of view.